Hey now, Carl the Madman here.
Hey now, Carl Madman here.
With Caitlin. We're on our way to work. I've already been to work, but now it's time for Caitlin to work. And I get to boss her around. Because I'm her boss.
Yes, he is.
Come take my hand while I'm waiting here. Get away from it.
Well, you may have seen it in a vlog a few days ago. Eric the Viking was sharpening some skates. He's not the only one who sharpens skates. First thing we gotta do, cross grind, take the old edge off.
Sweet and soft, no one will know. We can run away. Buried my heart in a willow tree. You came along, gave it back to me. Now we're creatures of the night. We set each other free. Run away with me. Hold me tight and don't let go.
Okay. Now, we gotta hone the stone. Now, we need to find the center of the blade. So, touch it. Take a look. I don't know if you can see that little touch there or not, but that looks pretty centered to me. Test it up front. Right down the middle. Here we go.
Sweet and soft, no one will know. We can run away.
Okay, that's done. Now we take my sharpening stone. This is stone. Take the burrs, any burrs that might be on the edge of the blade off. Like so.
Now is it
Give her a
sharp?
little wipey.
Now is it sharp?
Now it's sharp.
No.
Sharp, 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 sharp.
It's coming closer, Dad. Go now. Yeah, it doesn't want to deal with our crap.